Why is Dubai building a 93-kilometer-long canal in the middle of the desert? It might sound unbelievable, but Dubai's canal ambitions are part of a much bigger vision, one that blends luxury living, water-based transport, tourism, and environmental planning all into one sweeping project. So, what exactly is this canal project? Why is it so long? And how does it fit into the future of one of the world's most ambitious cities? Let's take a closer look. The Dubai Water Canal is not a new idea. The concept of expanding Dubai's waterfront actually dates back decades, but it wasn't until the early 2000s that serious plans began to take shape. The canal was designed to connect Dubai Creek to the Arabian Gulf through the Business Bay district, dramatically extending the city's waterfront by creating an artificial waterway through existing neighborhoods. The first phase of the canal project opened in 2016, carving a 3.2-kilometer route from Business Bay to the Persian Gulf. This relatively short stretch redefined the look and feel of central Dubai. But this was only the beginning. Today, Dubai is pursuing the massive Dubai Water Canal extension, stretching up to 93 kilometers. It's part of a bold and futuristic plan to reshape the way water moves through the city, especially through new districts and future developments. But why build such a long canal? There are several reasons, and they go beyond just aesthetics. First, the canal is expected to significantly boost property value along its edges. Like many waterfront developments, homes and businesses along canals tend to command higher prices, especially when paired with luxury amenities, walkways, and retail areas. Dubai's real estate sector thrives on prestige and uniqueness, and the canal offers exactly that. Second, the canal enhances Dubai's water transport infrastructure. Dubai already uses ferries, water taxis, and abras on its waterways, but these are mostly confined to the older Dubai Creek. The extended canal system is expected to open up new routes that reduce road congestion, offer alternative commuting options, and even support tourism with scenic cruises through the city. Third, there's an environmental and urban planning component. By connecting different bodies of water, Dubai aims to improve circulation and reduce stagnation in its inland waterways. The canal is designed with sustainability in mind, featuring flood control measures, smart irrigation systems, and walkable public spaces that promote outdoor activity. It's also important to note that the canal is tied to the broader Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan, a blueprint for how the city wants to grow over the next 2 decades. The plan emphasizes livability, green space, public transport, and sustainable infrastructure. The canal supports all of these goals at once. In some parts of the world, building a canal might seem outdated. But in Dubai, it's a bold move that reflects the city's philosophy of transforming challenges into opportunities. Constructing a canal in a desert environment isn't easy. It requires advanced engineering, water management systems, and constant maintenance to prevent sediment buildup. But Dubai has already proven that it can build islands, skyscrapers, and entire districts from scratch. So how exactly will this canal be used? In addition to transporting people, the canal will serve as a backdrop for festivals, light shows, and community events. Bridges have been designed to allow pedestrians and cyclists to cross seamlessly, while smart lighting and landscaping make the entire area feel futuristic and inviting. Perhaps the most ambitious part is the scale. A 93-kilometer canal could link multiple neighborhoods, turning Dubai into a city of islands and peninsulas. It's a strategy that not only adds beauty and function, but also creates new land for development. And for a city constantly looking to the future, that's a powerful incentive. Of course, like many of Dubai's mega projects, the canal has its critics. Some question the cost, the environmental impact, and whether such a project is necessary at all. But in Dubai's case, necessity is often redefined by vision. This isn't just about water. It's about creating a city where the desert meets the sea in the most unexpected ways. Dubai is showing the world that even in the harshest environments, you can rethink what's possible, one canal at a time. Thanks for watching. Have you ever been to Dubai?